2. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi. 3. All that we see or seem is but a dream within a dream. Edgar Allan Poe. 4. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 4. We are what we repeatedly do. 4. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle. 5. In 3 words I can sum up everything I've learned about life: it goes on. Robert Frost. 6. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 7. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that count. Winston Churchill. 8. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller. 9. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. 10. Life is like a camera. Focus on the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't work out, take another shot. Unknown.